Today we're going to check out some trucks at the brotherstrucks.com 20th annual show and shine at the Canyon RV Park in Anaheim. I'm Rick. While depressing, shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. Spent the day, or at least I spent the morning. We left here at 6 o'clock. Went down to Anaheim, checked out the truck show at the Canyon RV Park, the brotherstrucks.com 20th annual show and shine. Really nice event, really nice grounds that the event was at, and just some highlights, some of the trucks that were there. My purpose of going basically was to see if any of the trucks had the Cummins engines. There was only about 4 or 5, but they really weren't set up the way I was hoping to have set up. One was actually a 91 chassis, the engine, trans, everything, and he converted it, putting a 64 Chevy truck body on that Scarlet. Some of the others were just chopped and dropped, and nothing in the lines of what I was going to do, but we're just going to walk around, check out the trucks, get some ideas, which I did get a few. Got me some kettle of corn, got me a t-shirt, and that's about it. Just a good Sunday morning with some friends, some fellowship, and just enjoying the day. We went there, started at 8. I think we left about 11:30, quarter to 12, and came home. It was overcast, beautiful morning, not hot. Sun came out just when we were getting ready to leave, so it was perfect. So this is just a recap of some of the trucks that were there. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. A lot of trucks to look at, and again, there's just a large amount of these trucks that were just completely slammed to the ground. Everybody's got their own likes and dislikes, but overall it was nice. There were some nice trucks. I love the older trucks. Couldn't believe how many trucks were there, and I can't believe the line getting in. Even when we were leaving, still trucks coming in. I didn't realize there were that many trucks still here in California like that. Got a few ideas. I can't wait to get started. Hopefully this week I can start the tear down and hopefully get the front end off and possibly start the mock-up, at least try to get the engine setting where I want so we can start figuring out motor mounts. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack and build it for your sanity. I'm going to relax. It's been a long day. My granddaughter's out playing in the pool. So see you next video.